Hey y'all, it's Carmen. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I wanted to come in and do my very final video for 2019. Can y'all believe it? This year has gone by so fast, but this year has also blessed me so much. What I'm going to do is first, I want to say Happy New Year, of course, but I got a Happy Mail package today. And this package comes from Miss QB. Her YouTube is Miss B. And she is one of the first ones when I first started doing paper crafting and stuff. She's the first one I ever saw receive, like, talk about pocket letters. And so I had thought, okay, well, I want to try one. And trust me, I'm telling you, I may not be the best at pocket letters, but the thing about hers is that she had just had, or I knew she was having a baby girl, and by the time the package received her, she had had her new baby girl, and so I adjusted that pocket letter directly for the front of it to be for precious baby Amelia, and then the back of it to include things for Miss B. So, I did include some goodies for Cassie, and the video I will leave in the description box below. Y'all please be sure to open it, click on that link, check her out. Now, she's got, it's basically two Happy Mail packages that she received. She received one from her BFF, and then she showed the other one. And Cassie just tickled me. She absolutely tickled me with her receiving her packages. And they are just such precious people. And one of the reasons why she's always caught my attention was because I could never leave a video of hers without smiling from ear to ear. She always makes you smile. Now, with that being said, I received a package from her today, and she did tell me be on the lookout. And honey, like I said, I sent you that package just because you make me smile, and I could not include Precious Cassie. So with that being said, y'all, look at this. Again, it's a party in the box. So I'm going to move it out of the way. And you know what? I'm not going to apologize. Maybe next year, if I can keep videos shorter, I will. But y'all know me. I'm just me. And either you can hang or you can't. And if you can't, no worries. I understand. So I'm just going to pull one thing out at a time, starting with the top, because I have no clue. I was going to just open everything, and then I decided, you know what? Because she took so much time into making sure this box was so precious, I decided to wait. Oh, not even. Oh my gosh, I love these. I have not seen these. Oh my goodness, all the goodies. Look, it has, oh, do not even. It's got the donut. I haven't been to my Dollar Tree in a while. I'm not sure if this came from Dollar Tree or if this came from, like, somewhere else. Oh, I love all these colors. Thank you. Oh, and she included me a squishy goat donut. I got one of these and I gave it away. So I am so glad I get to include this in my fun pins. And look, y'all, I love it. I have not seen anything like this either. And then she's got this. Now, this came from Hobby Lobby. And she's got this planner embellishment. It's a mint tassel charm. Awesome. Thank you. Oh, my gosh. And then glitter gloss. Oh, yes, ma'am. LA Colors. Anything glitter and sparkly. Y'all know me. It's a painted face mask. Sprinkles. How cute is that? I love it. Thank you, honey. Now, I may use it, but usually my daughter tends to steal the masks I get. You know, teenage girls, them and their stuff. Okay, that was the first part. And then look, we've got these little pins, I think. One second. Oh, I think they go together. Oh, I think they do. Oh, how cute. And it's got the little snowman. Does that go on there? No. These are just erasers. How adorable. The little snowflake pencil. And then you could swap them out. Oh my gosh. I love these. I remember these when I was a kid. Remember how we used to have to take them off? And then they'd have colored pencils and you put it on top. And then, oh my gosh. I love this. I'm showing my age. Yeah, I'm showing my age. Okay. Now here's the second one. Love all these colors. Oh my goodness. You know, I was just talking to a friend of mine about needing a more detailed pair of scissors. And obviously it's Crafter Square. I have not seen these at my Dollar Tree either. Y'all are getting so much great things. Holy moly, and bling too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right up my alley. Girl. Miss. How cute. You know, I have told y'all and shared, this is one of my favorite things to have, is the retractable tape measure. And mine, let me see, here it is. Mine is just this basic black, nothing fancy. And I had gifted a really cute one in my giveaway. Now I got me a pretty cute one. Thank you. Another squishy donut. Oh, I love squishies. Y'all, thank you. She gave me this pen. Oh, is it a highlighter or a marker? Let me look. Oh, it's a highlighter. I've seen these. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. Girl, you just so should not have. I'm telling y'all, y'all have got to check out her channel. And precious little Cassie. And I got to see some early pictures of Sweet Amelia. And I thought that was the sweetest thing for her to send me some pictures. And that blessed me so much. She's got some gorgeous girls. Oh my goodness. Honey. Oh, those are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, more gorgeousness. I love these. I don't know. Man, I'm so jealous of y'all's stores. And look at that book. Y'all know me and my notebooks. And I love the birdcage. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Where did you find that? Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, see, I have not seen these either. I get so jealous of y'all, man. But yet, y'all bless me, so I really can't be. Oh my gosh. These are awesome. Awesome. And then look at the cute Elf on the Shelf. I see this now because let me tell y'all something. Elf on the Shelf. My daughter's 14 now. She's actually in a month and a half. She's actually less than a month and a half. She's going to be 15. And I believe it's Trina. Her birthday's the day after Trina's. I think Trina's is the 8th of February. And Lily's is the 9th. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm sorry. Y'all don't think me as a Scrooge, but I hated the Elf on the Shelf. And I see this, and I paid attention to Rosita this year, Rosita Brown, doing that on Instagram for her son. Oh my gosh, y'all are better than me. She seems to enjoy it. That was just never my thing. But thank you. I do love the stickers, and I think the Elf on the Shelf is so super cute. I just hated the whole magical time of Elf on the Shelf at my home. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Just so much. Oh. Yes, please. Of course, you never can go wrong there. But yes, I have seen these. And I have been putting off because of Christmas, because just life. And I have been wanting to pick these up so much. And I just kept putting it off. You know, it's one of those things, it's like, yes, I can use it. Yes, I want it because it's so cute. But do I need it right now? And this was one of those, I didn't need it right at that moment. But I'm so blessed. Thank you. Oh my gosh. And sugar coffee body scrub. Oh my gosh. I almost feel like I can smell coffee now. Or maybe it's a scrub. Or just because. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh, I could smell that forever. And it's got like a plastic. Oh, that is heaven. How long can you leave this on your face? Because I could wear it all day. Oh my gosh, that... Will you please tell me where you found this? Sugar coffee body scrub. Don't even think about it until I've had my coffee scrub. I love that. My gosh, that smells amazing. Okay, this might be a part 2. This might be a Happy New Year, and then opening this package, and then thanking her, and of course, I may have to do a closeout for the new year. But she has just blessed me so much. Y'all, I'm just like beside myself right now. Girl, you went way beyond what you needed to. Oh, yum. 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 I have not had any peppermint candy this year. So, I'm fixing to dive in. I'm going to be trying me... Oh, crushed peppermint. Is this like the white bark? That's what it looks... Yeah, white fudge. Awesome, thank you. And then look at these super cute napkins. Is it napkins? Yeah. Oh, I cannot wait to work with these. I've already got a couple ideas. Thank you. Thank you. I just don't even know how to say it. Thank you so much, honey. Oh my gosh. I'm beside myself. I feel like I'm in a playground. Okay, there's one package. It's kind of open. Oh. That is so pretty. And I'm guessing it's a candle. Yes, it is. Oh. What is that? Blackberry and bay. Wow. Oh. That just smells so good. Oh. I love smell good stuff, y'all. Thank you. Oh my gosh, is that not so pretty? Y'all know me. I love my pink. I love my shine. And I think I see one more. I want to make sure that purple really wrapped up that candle, so I don't blame her. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is the cutest. Official Nice List. Santa Claus. Certificate of Niceness. Carmen. Awarded to Carmen. Santa Claus checked twice. And it has the Santa seal. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. And she gave me a naughty or nice list. Now she did decorate the package in this, and I loved it. I can't show you because it's got our addresses on it, but the way she had decorated, she did some which looked like iridescent duct tape, and then she put all these, and then she put our name and addresses, and then she put these. Oh, it was so cute. Thank you for sharing these with me, honey. I love it all so much. And this is just too cute. I'm going to have to frame this. If I don't frame it, I will at least laminate it and see, making sure that I display this because I absolutely love it. And I don't know which one to want to smell. I think I kind of, as much as I love my coffee, I think I want to smell this again. Oh my gosh, it smells awesome. Thank you. You closed out my year with such a cheerful gift. I'm glad we met. And my apologies for not keeping up with videos lately. I'd done my challenge or whatever. So I'm still catching up. But in the new year, I'm just going to start fresh. I'm going to stop trying to catch up on videos and just continue to support where I need to. Now, with that being said, I know I've already getting a little long, so I'll come back with a Happy New Year resolution kind of video. I love you all, honey. Thank you. Give Cassie a sweet big hug for me and a sweet big hug to sweet precious Amelia. I love you all and thank you for always making me smile. As always, I wish you all the best.